Another set for good measure. Let's look at our multiple letters here. We still have no numbers and we're just looking for x. So first we're going to rearrange and we're going to get our z minus y equal to mx, from where x is a ratio of z minus y over m. Here we're looking for x, so first I'm going to multiply these two. Zm will be equal to xy, from there x is going to be a ratio of zm to y. Mx equals n minus p, we're solving for x. Well, x is a ratio of whatever we have, n minus p divided by its factor, which is m. So a is going to be, we have n over p and we have to divide by m on top of that, so it's going to be n over pm. Sounds like a clock. Now look, I have 6, 2, and 6. All of those are what we call even numbers, therefore I can divide by 2. So it's going to be 3 minus cx equals negative 3yx. So I'm after x. Even if I don't know what c is or y is, I still can factor them together. I'm going to have negative cx thrown over here with a plus. Cross the line, change the sign. 3 will be equal to cx minus 3yx. Now, x and x. I'm going to factor it out. 3 will be equal to x, factoring out c minus 3y. And then, since I'm after x, it's a ratio of the answer to the factor of x, c minus 3y. And technically, you don't have to put brackets. You can just say this. Solving for x, multi-steps. So what I see is I have x both in the denominator and in the numerator. So first, I'm going to do this. I'm going to multiply. So I'm going to have 2x plus 5 will equal to 4mzx. So what I did, I put z in between m and x so that I can clearly see my factorable two members of this equation. So I'm going to say 5, grab this with a minus, cross the line, change the sign, 4mzx factor minus 2x, another factor. So then I will have 5 equals 2x, and then I factor out the x, and I'm left with 4mz minus 2. X itself is going to be the ratio of 5 to that whole bracket, which is 4mz minus 2. Again, I'm solving for x, so first I'm going to multiply these, and I'm going to have 5x plus 3 will be equal to 6 times kux. Again, I'm leaving x at the end so I can then factor it out. I'm going to grab this 5x, cross the line, change the sign. 3 will equal to 6kux minus 5x. Factor x out. 3 equals x. 6ku minus 5. Therefore, x is a ratio. 3 over 6ku minus 5. Here I have, again, solving for x. Put it over here and then grab 3, put it over there. I just like positive numbers, you know. So 6yx minus cx will be equal to 3. Flipped it. All right. Then again, I can factor out x. 6y minus c will be equal to 3. And then we end up with a ratio of 3 to 6y minus c. Multiply 2x plus 4 equals zmx. Let's grab 2x over here. Cross the line, change the sign. 4 equals zmx minus 2x. Factor out x, zm minus 2. And then x is a ratio of 4 to zm minus 2. And the last one for today, we are after a. I'm going to grab this, put it with a plus. So it's going to be gca plus 5a equals 3. Factor out a. gc plus 5 equals 3, from where a is a ratio of 3 to gc plus 5. the more you practice with handling letters as if they were numbers, the better you get at physics.